Hello students, in this video we shall learn how to plot a root 2 on the number line. How to plot the value of a root 2 on the number line. So first we have to do a small working. Before plotting we need to square the under root 2 which becomes 2. Then we have to think about two numbers which are perfect squares and add up to 2. So the two numbers are 1 plus 1. 1 is also a perfect square. 1 square is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now to do this we need to understand the small concept of Pythagoras theorem. In a Pythagoras theorem, in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse square is side square plus side square. So if the sides of my triangle are 1 and 1, my hypotenuse square is 1 square plus 1 square, which becomes my hypotenuse square becomes 2. So my hypotenuse taking square root on both the sides becomes root 2. I shall be first drawing the triangle, a right angle triangle with the base as 1 unit and even the other side as 1 unit. When I join these two, I will get the measurement of root 2. Now let us see how to do it. Here is a number line ready. I have marked my units over here. You can choose a appropriate distance. You can mark these points at a distance of 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. In a small diagram, especially when you're plotting root 2, I would suggest take a distance of 2 centimeter between 2 points. Now, I have to first plot the base. My base is of 1 unit. So this is my base. I will label it as A, B. I have plotted my base. Now at B, I need to construct a right angle. I need to construct a perpendicular. The process of constructing the perpendicular, you all must have learnt in your younger standards how to construct a perpendicular. You will place the compass needle at the point where you meet the 90-degree angle and cut two arcs on the left and the right. You will place the compass needle at a point where you meet the 90-degree angle, and with a comfortable radius and with the same radius you will construct two arcs on the left and right. So I am doing over here approximate. It's a freehand one. So these are my two arcs. Then from each of the arc, I will measure a distance more than half. I will place the compass needle here, measure a distance more than half and cut the arc here. Same process I will repeat from the other end. I will not change the radius, place the compass needle here and cut another arc. So on placing the compass needle here, I can cut an arc approximately here on the top, and again then placing the compass needle on the other arc, I will cut one more arc to intersect the previous one. I then need to join the point of intersection of these two arcs and my point B, where I need to form my 90-degree angle. So I shall join these points now, and this is my 90-degree angle. Now my next step is I need to mark my 1 unit on this line, because remember my aim is to construct a right angle triangle. I have constructed the base. Now I need to mark, I have constructed the 90-degree angle. Now I need to cut an arc of 1 unit. This will become my other side. So you all will take the same scale what you all have taken over here. So if there are 2 centimeter was 1 unit on this base, the same measurement you will take and cut your 1 unit over here. So I am using all approximations. You please follow precision. So this approximately will be again my 1 unit. I'll mark this point as C. Now I shall join my O and C. I shall join my O and C, and my right angle triangle is ready. So this distance as per the Pythagoras rule becomes root 2. My construction is still not complete. I need to bring this measurement on the number line. So next you all will place the compass needle here and adjust your compass radius as per the length of this line. You will place your compass needle here, adjust your compass radius, adjust your pencils, measure this distance, then place the compass needle here, and with the same distance whatever you have measured here, you will cut an arc on the number line. Place the compass needle here, measure this distance, and without changing the distance you will cut the arc on the number line. So it's again an approximate distance. This distance is root 2. So just a brief summing up. Whenever you have to plot an irrational number on the number line, you need to first square it, whatever your number is. So if it is root 3 square, it will become 3. If it's root 2 square, it will become 2. Step 2, you will have to think about two numbers, the square of which adds up to the square of the irrational number which I am plotting. So 2 is a sum of 1 plus 1. I can think about 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. My next aim is to construct a right angle triangle where the base is 1 and the height is 1. For that, first I have taken a number line and I have plotted my base, which is of 1 unit. At this point, I have constructed a right angle triangle. Once I get my perpendicular, I have cut another arc, which is my second side of the triangle, which again measures as 1. I have joined these 2 points and I have got my hypotenuse of the right angle triangle, which as per the Pythagoras rules will be root 2. I will then measure this distance and cut the same distance as an arc on the number line. This distance is my root 2. Thank you.